Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the mobile app for Banco Sabadell savings account. This guide will walk you through the steps to manage your savings account using the app. First, you need to download and install the Banco Sabadell mobile app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and click on Register to create your username and password. You will need your account number and other identification details to complete the registration process. After registering, log into the app using your username and password. The home screen will display your account balance and a menu of options to manage your account. You can view your account transactions, including deposits and withdrawals, by clicking on the Account Transactions option. To transfer money, click on the Transfer option and select the account you want to transfer from and to. Enter the amount and recipient details, and confirm the transfer. You can also set up standing orders and direct debits using the app. The app also allows you to pay bills and manage your savings goals. You can set up and track your savings targets, and receive notifications when you reach your goals. Additionally, you can use the app to find the nearest Banco Sabadell branch or ATM. To ensure the security of your account, always log out of the app when you are finished using it, and never share your login details with anyone. You should also keep your mobile device and app up to date with the latest security updates. In conclusion, the Banco Sabadell mobile app provides a convenient and secure way to manage your savings account. By following these steps, you can easily view your account balance, transfer money, pay bills, and manage your savings goals. Remember to always keep your account and login details secure to protect your money.